Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your YouTube password on iPhone. So let's begin. First of all, you can go to your settings and then scroll down in your settings and find the option called password. So after you're in this password, so here are the passwords. Now what we're going to do is go to Google. So let's scroll down to the Google section. As you can see, here are my Google accounts. So after you have found your Google accounts, you're going to have to search for the account which one's password you're going to need. So I'm going to need this account's password, so I'm going to click on this account. Now after this interface comes, you're going to need to click on the password. So as you can see, after clicking on the password, I am able to see the password. You can also copy the password, or you can view the password, what the password was. However, if you can't find your password in the password section of your iPhone settings, then you can go to your Google passwords. So to go to Google passwords, you should download Google Chrome. After downloading Google Chrome, let's open Google Chrome. Now in Google Chrome, you're going to have to press on the three dots on the lower right corner. From this three dot option, we are going to go to our password manager. Again, we need to verify by Touch ID or Face ID. After verifying, we're going to scroll down to our Google account again. Alright, so here we have google.com, 9 accounts. Let's click on it. So as you can see, here are all of my Google accounts. So you should find your Google account, and after you have found your Google account from the option, you're going to have to click on the eye icon over here. After clicking on the eye icon, your password will be visible. So click on the eye icon of your Google account and you will be able to see your password. So guys, that is how you can get your YouTube password from your iPhone, because your YouTube account is basically your Google account. If you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.